welcome to our next session, that is chapter 1 class 9th, matter in our surroundings. That is part 4. Today we are going to learn. In this part 4 we will learn the states of matter. Matter in our surroundings, it exists in 3 physical states. What are the states? They are number 1 solids, number 2 liquids, number 3 gases. Now let you know the reason why the matter is existing in 3 physical states. That is due to difference in the properties of the particles in the matter. The solid state. What are solids? Solids are the substances which have definite shape with distinct boundaries and fixed volume. Suppose this is one example for solid. It has definite shape, okay, and it has definite boundaries also, and fixed volume is there. So this is a solid. This is the reason the solids are rigid and have negligible compressibility. And these solids will not change their shape easily by hammering or by dropping down anything. If we hammer it or if we drop down, the solids may break, but they will not show any change in their shape. See, suppose this pen is there. By pressing it, can I change its shape? No, I cannot change the shape by pressing. And by hammering, we may break it. By cutting also, we may break it. Next is examples for solids. What are the examples for solids? All the examples in our, so many examples we will find in our surroundings. Suppose pen or a notebook or eraser or piece of chalk. Okay, these are all the examples. Table or water bottle, etc. These are the examples for solids. Okay, now let us know about the liquids. Before going to liquids, there are some special examples for solids only. Let you know that examples. Okay, all of you take the screenshot. These are special examples. What are that? Let us see. Rubber band. See, this is the rubber band. This is also solid only, but by applying some force on it, it will be stretched to some extent. And after removal of the force, again it is getting back its original position or its original shape. Like this, see. If you apply more force on it, this rubber band will be broken. It has broken, you see now. Okay. So rubber band is also considered as the solid only. Next. Now let you know about the one more example, that is sugar and salt. See, this is salt. Okay. And this is sugar. No doubt by seeing its appearance we can say that these two are solids only. But what doubt we are getting? That is, these are getting the shape of the container. Isn't it? As they are getting the shape of the container, you may get the doubt whether the sugar or salt are solids or not. No doubt. We can consider them as solids only. Why? Why? Because if you take the bulk amount of crystals of salt and sugar, they will get the shape of the container. But if you take a crystal, single crystal, see, this is the crystal, single crystal. This crystal will be having the same shape. Even if you take on your hand or on the plate or on the spoon, the crystals will be having the same shape as they before had. This is the reason we can say that sugar and salt are the solids. Okay. Now let us know about sponge. Sponge, it is also a solid only, but by squeezing it, it will be compressed. Then also should we consider it as a solid? Yes. Why? Because in the making itself, solid has some gaps in it, and that gaps are having some air trapped in these gaps. When we compress this sponge, that air will expel out, and after removal of the force, then again the sponge will be getting its previous shape. Means this sponge is also considered as a solid. Okay, and see, today what we have learnt? We have learnt from the states of matter in this part 4 video. From the states of matter, we have learnt the solids. And in the next class, we will learn about the liquids and gases. The solids, they have, in the solids, the particles are closely packed. Isn't it? The particles will be closely packed in specific manner. This is the reason the solids have definite shape. And the intermolecular space will be less intermolecular space. Okay, these are the properties of the solids. Okay children, in the next class we will know about the liquids and gases. Okay, till then have happy time all of you. Now all of you take the screenshot of the board. Okay students, don't forget to subscribe my channel and be watching my videos.